Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jun. I'm so glad to have all of you guys back. Since we talked about P the last time, so let's talk about D with no tone in today's video. First, the thing you have to understand that D in Chinese is a 多音字, which means a character with multiple pronunciation. But in today's video, we only talk about D with no tone. I said in my last video that D is an important signal of adjective, but actually it cannot be a word on its own. It has to follow something to form a word. It serves more as a structural particle. So here are three major usages. When it's after an attributive, it indicates a modifying relationship. For example, like 美丽的花朵，可爱的孩子。Number two, if you put d after a noun or verb or adjective, then you have a noun. For example, in English, you will say, I prefer the red one. In Chinese, it will be 我更喜欢红的。红 means red, 的红的 means the red one. 吃 eat, 吃的 things to eat. 穿 wear, 穿的 things to wear. And when it's after a pronoun, it means a possessive relationship. For example, like 我的书。我的书，我 it means I, it means me. 我的 it means my. My book, 我的书，我的书. And is there any difference between my and my? No, there's no difference. Both of them are 我的. So what about Tom's book? That would be Tom 的书. And if you want to say a member of a team, that would be 团队的一员. For the last usage, we don't really use it as a particle. We actually put it at the end of the sentence to give an affirmative tone. For example, like 他会来的, he will come. Like I'm so sure that he will come. So we will say 他会来的,他会来的. And another example is 他会好的, she will be good. I'm so sure. We're all very sure that she will be good. Like 她会好的. Yes, 她会好的. So this is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time.